Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today, first thing I want to say is Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Today is Thanksgiving, and look at the beautiful weather here. We are at Universal Orlando CityWalk because we're going to be going to have our Thanksgiving dinner Italian style today in Vivo Italian Kitchen. But we wanted to come out here first and just check out the crowds. So far, light crowds. Yeah, look. Not very busy at all for Thanksgiving Day on CityWalk anyway. Let's go take a look inside Universal Studios and let's see how busy it is in there. Come on, let's go check it out. So guys, as we are heading down this way towards Universal Studios Orlando, Roberta, so far, what do you think of the crowds for Thanksgiving Day?
It's not bad in here.
It's not bad, look, not bad, but guys, don't forget, we're not inside the parks yet. So we're gonna get over to the entrance of the park and let's see if it's any busier in there. I got a feeling it's gonna be. It's a holiday today. I got a good feeling, Roberta, Jake, it's gonna be busy inside. Let's go check it out. So not a very long line to get in, huh guys? We got right in through the entrance, and what I like to do is if I don't have my app out and I'm vlogging, I come right over here. I want to show you guys an awesome spot to kind of find out your wait times and how busy you can kind of anticipate. Right here, right Jake?
Yeah.
They have a nice digital display here, so you can see we got Escape from Gringotts, 90 minutes, Fast and Furious, 35. Here's some of the shows right here. That parade, by the way, the Universal Holiday Parade, I'll drop a link in. We have a full parade POV. 50 minutes for the Minions. Rip Rocket, 70. Not terrible, huh, Jake?
Yeah.
Nothing really crazy. Transformers, 65. I tell you what, for a holiday, that's not very bad. And as you can see, there are people. But let's take a little walk down this direction and let's have a look. So we're kind of making our way down the main street here. This is where the parade goes to. It is not busy at all here. You know, this is, I want to say it's around 2:30 in the afternoon on Thanksgiving Day. But not very big crowds. Look, plenty of space to walk. To me, I come here a lot on the weekends, and I come during the weekdays. This looks like a regular weekend so far to me, Roberta.
Yeah, it's not too busy.
Now, tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, I got a feeling will be much busier. People today might be just hanging with their families. Tonight, maybe, Roberta, gets a lot busier.
Yes,
you know what's cool, guys? If you're at home, if you're not living close by and you want to check, go right on the Universal, right? Their app, Roberta. We do this a lot, and we just check wait times, and you can get an idea how busy it is in the park. So, guys, check it out. And we have Jake's famous car wash, guys. If you do follow Medling World, you will find out. We like to call these misters here. This one's very light today, as a matter of fact. You can't even really see it, but you can see the ground is wet. And Jake is enjoying his car wash. He used to call him car wash when he was a very, very little guy. But we kind of continue that tradition and call those misters car washes. Very fun. So now we're heading through, as you would say, the Simpson area, Springfield. And I'm going to say, Roberta, in the last 45 minutes, it's gotten busier in the park, hasn't it?
Yeah, over here's a little bit busier.
A little bit busier, and I did just take a look on the app, and those wait times have gone up for those rides we originally looked at. So
Maybe people are happy.
I think what's happening, and as people are finishing dinner, lunch, whatever you want, you know, Thanksgiving, right?
Yeah,
It gets busier in the nighttime now with all the people traveling. So yeah, you can see the crowds are filing in here. So let's see how it goes. So everybody, we're heading now towards our, we're actually heading back to CityWalk to go eat. And I just made an observation here in the parks today. I see many more people kind of actually laying down, sitting on the benches. I think everybody's full or tired or what. More than usual, because it just kind of stood out to me walking around. So many people just kind of lounging in the park today. Enjoying beautiful day, beautiful weather. Thanksgiving, kind of have to eat that turkey and you sit in a recliner. No recliners here, but hey, find a nice bench and relax a little bit. So just to show you guys the Minions ride here, that right there, this queue right here is the express lane. And look how far back it goes. So significantly busier since the time we came in. You're gonna be waiting a little while even with an express or some of the rides today. So getting busier. After we eat our dinner, I think we'll just take a quick peek over in Island of Adventures just to see how the crowds are over there. So let's go eat. So we have a reservation at 4 and it looks like, yeah, there's a little queue waiting to get in. So it must not open until 4. It's just about 4. So let's take a look at the menu. There's a lot of reflection here. Let's not look at that menu with that reflection. We'll wait till we get inside and take a look. We'll give you guys a little review of what we get and how much it costs, things like that, and see if it's worth it for you guys. So we'll give you a review of the Italian Kitchen of Vivo. So a little bit of a check-in process, right, Roberta?
Yeah.
So the restaurant opened at 4. You kind of had to wait in that line I was showing you. You check in with your name and then you got to wait again.
Yeah, I guess they said they're gonna take a text message, which is normal.
It said 3 to 5 minutes. We'll get you an update and see if that's accurate with the 3 to 5 minutes.
Yeah, they open at 4, so I'm guessing.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Wasn't a long wait just to check in anyway, but now we're hungry. So we just got in and yeah, it took 5 minutes and they texted us. So just take a look. It's dark in here though. You probably can't see too great. And we're heading to our table. So guys, I just want to show you the menu real quick. Lots of awesome different things. Let's start up on the top though. So they have the appetizers, how do you say that, Roberta? Carpaccio? Carpaccio. So we're gonna get that. They have pizzas. They have all kinds of Italian dishes, meat, seafood, pork, all different stuff. And you can just download this app right on the Universal Orlando website, and you guys can have a look at it. We'll let you know what we get though as soon as it comes out. So guys, you can see come out with a nice little loaf of bread. The carpaccio. Wow. And by the way, the oil's right here for the bread. That looks good. Let's try it. Okay, you guys know how much we love vlogging the awesome food. We got Jake with an awesome pizza here. Look at with some fresh Parmesan going on there. Look at this. Oh, he loves it. You can go real good with it, Jake. Let him know when you had enough.
You sure?
Yeah.
You want?
Sure?
You want a little bit more?
A little bit more cheese here.
Yeah. Look at that, guys. Jake.
Good? So thank you.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure. Enjoy dinner.
Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
So we're loving it so far. And just to let you know, the carpaccio, Roberta, where'd it go?
Oh, that was awesome. It still has a couple pieces left.
A couple little pieces. It was delicious. Everything's been awesome. And you know, I want to tell everybody, hey guys, let's put up our cups for a minute, Jake. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
Cheers.
Cheers with my Diet Coke. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little walkthrough Roberta gave you. And we did decide on our entrees. Well, of course, Jake, he ordered his. We showed you his awesome cheese pizza, and it smells really good. I kind of think I might steal a piece. No, I won't do that. Roberta went with the ravioli, and what are they? Just cheese ravioli? It's like a traditional cheese ravioli. And I went with chicken parmesan. So we got some very classic Italian dishes today to celebrate our Thanksgiving. And as soon as they come out, we'll try them. And there's Roberta with the spinach ravioli. It is, Roberta, he said.
Yeah.
It's actually spinach ravioli with the fresh grated Parmesan, so the linguine and the chicken Parmesan. Let's get eating, guys. So we have our dessert here, which is actually not even on the menu because the funny thing is, actually, I'll tell you when we get outside because of the music, I don't want any copyright problems. But this dessert was not on the menu. Have one more quick look at it though. Looks like what? A chocolate brownie with some ice cream. Oh man. Okay, let's talk about our Thanksgiving dinner. Oh my God, first of all, guys, Vivo Italian Kitchen. Roberta? Jake, what'd you guys think overall?
It was really good.
Roberta?
Yeah.
No, the food was so
It was great. Right now,
Yes.
out of all the restaurants I've ever eaten here, at CityWalk anyway, let's talk about CityWalk.
CityWalk.
That's my favorite,
Yes, it is.
and I like it better than the Chocolate Emporium. Sorry, Roberta. Sorry.
I don't know much about that.
Anyway, our entrees were awesome. The chicken parm was great. It was nice, thin, breaded chicken. Not a lot of that, you know, breading on it. It was just enough with a nice mozzarella cheese over it. Oh, it was great with the linguine and then the grated Parmesan. Roberta, what'd you think of yours?
That was good. That was the only thing was al dente. So if somebody does not like al dente, just make sure you mention that before you order.
Okay.
So that way it gets a little bit like soft, but it was good.
And Jake, come here, you jumper. What'd you think of your pizza?
I really like the pizza here, but I think the Chocolate Emporium is a bit better.
Okay.
All right, well, he has a right to his opinion too. Everybody does. And for dessert, I was telling you guys, we were gonna order a fudge something.
Chocolate fudge cake.
So Cody, first of all, Cody was our waiter and Tommy was kind of the assistant guy that was helping him.
Both great.
Both
yes.
awesome. Shout out to Cody and Tommy. And it was funny because we went to order our original dessert and he just looked at us and he goes, don't order that. It doesn't
Yeah.
taste good and you're not gonna like it. I guess it's kind of like an allergy, if you had an allergy, gluten-free
Yeah.
type of dessert. He said, now if you do have an allergy, it's good enough for that because you can have a taste, but he said if you don't, you're better off with something else. So that awesome brownie.
It was actually a chocolate chip cookie with the brownie and ice cream on the top. It was like awesome. It was so good.
And you know who? That guy over there jumping all over Jake.
Yeah.
Look at him. The sugar has hit him. That's at Thanksgiving. He's jumping like crazy. But guys, I highly recommend that restaurant. I want to go back though and try some other things. Definitely.
Yeah, it was 83 before the discount.
So guys, you saw everything we got. We got an appetizer, the 2 adult entrees, the kids meal, the dessert, $83 before the discount. And then of course we had a 10% discount with our annual pass. So it dropped it down to 70s. Yeah, figure out the 10%.
Yeah.
Mid 70s, $76 maybe, something like that. Listen, totally worth it. I will tell you one thing about CityWalk, Roberta, and a lot of these restaurants, and I think you'll agree, they're a lot cheaper to eat at than Disney World.
Yes, a lot cheaper than Disney.
And
A lot more affordable.
and you don't get, I don't know, it's something about Disney World. I always feel like they're rushing you in those restaurants. Like, here's the food, here's this, okay, see you later.
Nothing like that here. No.
Here it was like, you know, it reminded me like when I was a kid and I'd go out to dinner with my parents on a Friday night and it was like an event and you just got to relax and eat. It was really awesome. Can't say enough about it. Okay, let's stop talking about our lunch. By the way, if you are enjoying our vlog, guys, please take a moment. Subscribe to Medling World. Hit the button over down there somewhere right there. Boom! Hit that button, subscribe, like our videos. Let's go see how the crowds are over here in Island of Adventure. What do you think?
Go check it out.
Let's go check it out. So here we are, guys. We're inside Islands of Adventure. A little look at the crowds. But we're just getting going. Let's see if it got any busier than it was earlier. As you guys saw, when we first got over to the Universal side, it wasn't that bad. And as we were leaving, it was getting a little busier. So we're just curious because why not? It's Thanksgiving, we're hanging out. Let's go check it out. So, just like this, I should say, just like the Universal side, here at Island of Adventures, they also have a nice marquee, if you will, digital display with all the wait times. Let's go take a look at it, and we can get an idea of how busy the park is. So you guys can see here, just take a quick look. Let's see, what do we got? Not Forbidden Journey, 60 minutes. The Flyers at 55. Seuss Trolley Train, 65. That's a long wait. Cat in a Hat's a walk on. You know what? Not too bad. Some longer than others, but I would say looking at this, if you want to go to, well, the water ride are pretty quick. Velocicoaster 45. Anyway, guys, looking at that, I don't think it's extremely busy at all for being Thanksgiving. Those wait times are, you know, kind of average weekend wait times, but it doesn't necessarily mean people are just kind of hanging out, walking through. So let's just take a look at the crowds anyway. Not everybody is always on a ride, right? Let's go check it out. I want to give you a reference video vlog of ours. Roberta, can you drop a link for us with our nice Island of Adventure Christmas vlog that we did with some of the Christmas things? But a lot of these lights are on it, so I want to thank you guys for hanging out with us today on Thanksgiving, checking out the 2 Universal parks. Not terribly busy, right? It's a manageable day if you came to the park, I think. But I did get here a little bit later in the day. If someone was here earlier on Thanksgiving, maybe in the morning time or, you know, earlier afternoon, give me a comment. Let me know, was it extremely busy or was it manageable? We found it to be very manageable. Could definitely hit up some rides. And of course, our Thanksgiving lunch was great. And you can see Jake, he's already, the sugar's got him. Look at him, there he goes. He's wild. There he goes, Jake Medling in the house. Guys, please, just take one moment if you could, like and subscribe to Medling World. And there's just one last thing I want to tell you. See ya!